During Alaska's 1925 blizzard, the safest place in the storm was directly behind Balto. Children in Nome were sick, and sled dog teams were rushing their medicine across Alaska. On the final stretch, snow buried every landmark, while wind wiped out the trail. Balto's driver, Gunnar Kaasen, could barely see his own team, but Balto kept running through the white darkness. Then the sled flipped. Kaasen dug through the snow with bare hands, searching for the medicine package. Balto waited. Once Kaasen found it, Balto picked up the trail again. By dawn, Balto and Kaasen reached Nome with the antitoxin. Balto's nose and memory had carried the medicine through the storm, helping save the town's children. Unlock your dog's genius at the circle in my bio with the brain song. It's our secret.